press shift, then here. No. Wait, it doesn't give. Okay, here, shift, and restart without releasing the shift.
Okay.
To wait. Some computers takes longer. I don't know.
Oh, that's close.
Put pause and you will. Okay. Right. You have to delete that. Okay, there. Troubleshoot. Advance. Startup settings. Restart. It says here, disable driver signature enforcement. So you do the restart and gonna reappear that. And then you will only gonna press 7. Let's wait. Okay, it says disable driver signature enforcement. Number 7. You press 7 and you're set. Go to device. Device manager here. Look for Dynacom PC controller. I do it this way. Right click, properties, update driver. On my computer the drives are already here. So till you got C, the drivers are in here. Programs files like 86. Next, install drivers software anywhere. And there they are. And then you have to look for an extra Admiral sign. There is no. Here it is.
And this is the second step, right, Mauricio?
Yeah, correct.
A lot of people are
Same.
missing this.
The same properties, update driver, computer, are in the same file. Next, and you're set. Close, close. Open software. Here we have it. We have the good connection.